Is your Siemens EQ6 making coffee that tastes weak, watery, or just off? This usually comes down to grind settings, bean quality, or internal buildup affecting pressure and flavor. Let's fix it step by step. By the end of this video, your machine should be delivering full-flavored, balanced coffee again. Step 1. Adjust the grinder setting. Open the bean container lid and locate the grinder dial. Turn it one notch finer while the grinder is running. This slows the extraction and pulls more flavor from the beans. Step 2. Check your strength setting on screen. Use the aroma or strength setting before brewing. Make sure it's not set to mild by accident. Try strong or very strong for a fuller taste. Step 3. Clean the brewing unit. Open the right side of the machine and remove the brewing unit. Rinse it under warm water and let it air dry. Built-up oils or old coffee residue can affect pressure and flavor. Step 4. Use fresh, dry beans. Avoid oily or stale beans. Use freshly roasted, medium dark beans that aren't shiny. They feed better and extract more flavor. Step 5. Run a cleaning cycle. Go to cleaning and maintenance, rinse appliance, or run calc and clean if it's been a while. Mineral buildup or coffee oil residue inside the brew path can mute flavor. Still getting weak coffee after all that? It may be time to replace the water filter or get a full service. We've included the support link below in the description. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Drop any other EQ6 issues in the comments. We might feature yours next. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next cup.